In this video, I'll show you how to fix HDMI not working on Philips TV. So since I cannot demonstrate it to you in this video, I'll be able to explain it to you through this article. So to be able to fix this issue such as HDMI not working on Philips TV, what you can do first is to go ahead and change your TV settings. So depending on the setup of different devices connected to the TV, verify if the settings are set correctly. Verify if audio and or picture is playing correctly after the setting is changed. So simply follow this step-by-step changing steps that you can find under the change TV settings section to be able to try this out as the first solution. Next thing that you can do is to go ahead and switch sources. If the TV does not recognize the HDMI device, switch the source to another device and back again. The third thing that you can do is to reestablish a digital handshake. Switch the television off, unplug all cables, accessories, and devices from the TV. Wait for at least 1 minute before plugging the power cable in again. Switch the TV back on without reconnecting any of the disconnected cables, accessories, and devices, and then unplug the power cable of the external device, and then wait 3 to 5 minutes to allow them to finish their startup process, and then connect the HDMI cable first into the TV, then into the device. Another thing that you can do is to use another HDMI port. If that doesn't work, you can use another HDMI cable. You can also reset the TV to factory settings and then reinstall the television. And that's basically how you can fix HDMI not working on Philips TV. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.